Resin can do more than shine. It can bloom into fruit-like patterns and glowing rivers. Let's unlock the secrets of the fig effects together. Hello, my friends. Welcome back to LisinCult, your resin experimenting lab. My name is Lida, and today we are creating this beautiful and slightly tricky style in under 15 minutes with all the tips and tricks along the way. In resin art, I have noticed the same effect often goes by different names. Some artists call it the Russian effect, others the fig effect. But honestly, I don't worry too much about the name. What really matters is the beauty of the effects itself. You can decide which name fits best once you see the results. Let's jump into it. As usual, before making our colorants, let's quickly talk about the resin. I'm using low viscosity resin with a 2:1 mixing ratio because it gives the colorants plenty of time to play around and push against each other. That way, pigments with different weights and densities can interact and form this beautiful and natural pattern. According to my resin calculator for this mold, which measured 27 centimeters in length and 18 centimeters in width and 5 millimeters in thickness, we will need about 270 grams of resin mixture in total. That breaks down to 180 grams of resin and 90 grams of hard. For saving time, I have already prepared our resin mixture, and as you know, stir it nicely and slowly to get a clear mixture. If you would like to learn how to measure and mix resin perfectly, I have linked a full tutorial in the description box. Don't skip it if you want to master resin mixing and explore the resin world with confidence. Okay, I think it's ready. All right. Now, let's make our colorants. For this effect, you will need 3 colorants, the magic white paste and 2 different transparent ink. Let's make the colorants. In 1 cup, I prepared my white pigment paste with resin. It should be dense and just heavy enough to hold its ground without sinking, but not too much, as you can see. You have to mix it nicely. If you would like to learn more about the colorants we use in resin art, I have got a full tutorial on that, link in the description box. In the 2nd cup, I have my blue ink. And the 3rd one, pink ink. And don't forget a small cup for your decorative elements. I have adding silver leaf and glitter for more extra spark. All right, everything is ready. Now it's pouring time. The technique is simple. Just follow this sequence. First, pour the white paste mixture in a thin ring around the edge of the mold. Right beside the white, add the blue mixture, and next to that, pour the pink mixture. Now you have got 3 colorants working side by side. You can switch up the order of the ink if you like, but remember, the white paste always comes first. Then pour the clear resin in the center. It will push everything outwards and create those beautiful fig-like effects. And finally, drop your silver leaves and glitters into the center for the glowing centerpiece. Let's do it. Now, let the resin do its magic. Don't touch immediately. Give it time to flow on its own. And if the movement starts to slow down, a quick pass with the torch can help it flow again. And it will pop any bubbles at the center. After that, just cover it up and let it cure. Okay, my friends, while you enjoy the time lapse, think about the key tips of this technique that I shared during the video. We will go over them again after demolding. And if you have enjoyed this experiment so far, don't forget to give it a like and hit the subscribe. You will never miss the next resin adventure. See you then. Hello again. Because I use a low viscosity resin, I waited 48 hours to make sure it has cured properly. Now it's time to demold. Let's do it. The result is amazing, but because I have used the mold a lot, it has lost its surface shine, and the piece isn't glossy and doesn't reveal its full charm. I think a controlled top coating will bring back the shine and highlight the effect beautifully. And because we demold it now, the piece is still flexible. By gently warming the back side with the heat gun, it will stick nicely to a transparent sheet, so there is no need to protect the back side before top coating. If you would like to learn more about different ways to protect the back of your resin piece before top coating, I have made a full tutorial. The link is in the description box. Now, let's get busy. Okay, it's done. I will see you after 24 hours. Okay, after 24 hours, the top coating is fully cured and it has brought out the true charm of this piece. Now we can really talk about it. Look at it, isn't it nice? The heavy white paste sinks while lighter inks bloom into the petal-like textures. This effect is all about density differences. And a good point is that by adjusting the amount of inks and white pigment, each pour creates a unique formation of this effect. And the white spots even resemble fig seeds, which may be where the name comes from. But whatever the name, it's absolutely stunning. Now, let's quickly recap the essentials. Use low viscosity resin. It lets the colors move and interact freely. Follow the pouring sequence. The structure makes the effect work. For this effect, white paste always goes first, but you can play around with the inks order. Add a dense white colorant. White paste is the heaviest pigment, and even small changes can completely alter the result. And don't touch immediately. Patience is the key, or the heat will drag pigments and ruin the natural bloom. These little details are what really bring the fig effect to life. And there it is. The veins glow like rivers of light, while tiny spots shimmer like fig seeds, adding hidden texture. It's like holding a slice of nature, part glowing hues, part fruit, pure resin magic. Okay, my friends, did the glowing veins and the fig-like spots spark a vision of your own? If so, give this video a like, hit subscribe, and share your favorite color blends in the comments. I would love to see your version of the fig effect. You can also check out my resin effects playlist. I will link it right here. And if you would like to try this effect at home, don't forget to grab the free PDF guide from the description box. And of course, leave me your questions, suggestions, and recommendations. They always inspire my next experiments. Stay tuned, happy pouring, and let's keep unlocking resin secrets together.